This is a sign that they had ripped up. I just took it down and we ordered a new sign, and it's mesh so the wind can blow through it a little bit better. And this should work out unless someone damages it. Hopefully people can see it on the road. Win $100. Person with the most steps win. Yep. 1-855-SPY-6UON. 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. every other Saturday. Urban Outreach Nurses. That's the official logo. The t-shirt was the original logo, but this is the official logo. Alright, new one is up. Can you see it from a distance?